Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Medium step by step using the easy method. This is a great way to start your writing journey so you can read great stories and publish your own thoughts for anyone to see. Let's get into it. First, create a free account. The first step is to open your internet browser and make a new personal account so you can log into the system. You need to create your own profile card before you can start saving articles or writing your own pieces. Open your web browser, go to the main website, and click on the button at the top right that says Get Started. Pick a simple way to sign up, like clicking your standard email link, and type in your name to finish your account card. This is the start of everything because the system needs to know who you are before it can save your favorite topics. You have to open this account so the computer can build your personal reading dashboard. Without this step, you would just be looking at a generic public front page instead of your own customized reading feed. Next, pick your favorite topics. You need to tell the system what kind of stories you like to read so it can show you the best articles on your screen. Look at the screen choices after you log in, scroll through the list of interests, and click on the words you like. Choose at least 3 simple categories like life stories, business tips, or food, and click the Continue button. Because thousands of articles are published every single day, and you do not want to see things that bore you. By choosing your favorite topics, you train the website to filter out the noise and only put good stories on your home screen. It ensures your main dashboard is full of interesting text every time you open it. Next, start writing your first story. Now you need to learn how to open a blank page and type out your own thoughts so you can share them with other readers on the network. Look at the top bar of the website, click on the small button that looks like a pencil, and wait for the blank writing screen to load. Click inside the big top box to type your main title, then click below it to start typing your normal paragraphs. Because writing your own pieces is how you connect with people online. By opening this blank sheet, you get a clean workspace where you can add bold words, lists, or pictures to your text. It is the key step to getting the right output so your thoughts look clean and easy to read on a screen. Next, publish your words for the public. The final step is to check over your typing and tell the system to push your story out onto the internet for everyone to read. Look at the top corner of your writing screen, click the green button that says Publish, and add a few simple label words. Click the final Send button and wait for the screen to show that your story is live on its own web link. Once you press that green button, your writing is officially pushed out to the public world, and people can start leaving hearts and comments on your page. Now, your setup is completely finished and your story is live. Remember that you have to keep finding the right output for your post to make it look perfect. And that's pretty much it. To use Medium, you must first create a free account using your email. Then, you pick your favorite topics to set up your home feed. Next, you click the pencil button to start writing your text on a blank page. Finally, you click the green Publish button to put your story online. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.